Hello, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will teach you how to make your own Google form. So first, let's search on forms. Yan. Okay. So yan, let's go to Google Forms. And then this is not my account, this is my brother's, so I'll use my own account to do the Google form. And then we already have templates, but for me I prefer to have it blank. Ayan. So in this Google form, you can put it title. Okay. So pwede nating ilagay yung test. And then we can describe what this Google form is all about. Okay, so for example, this is just for my blog. Yan. So we have other pictures here like add question, import questions. If you already have your questions, you can just input it here to create your own Google form. Add title and description, and then add image, add video, and add section. Let's say you have part 1 and part 2 and part 3, you can do it this way, add section. So punta tayo sa untitled question. So sa name, for example, name, you can choose from this type of questions. Okay, short answer ba, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file upload, and so on and so forth. So since this is only for name, this is only asking for name, you could just write, or you can just choose short answer. And then required, pag pinindot natin yung required, ibig sabihin you cannot submit the Google form if you don't have your answer. Okay, so yan. Next, try naman natin yung paragraph. Very simple, mahaba yung pwede mong mailagay dito. Let's say for example, feedback. Then you can write as many words as you can. As you can see, I cannot write my own answer because I'm the one doing the form. Okay, and let's this required. And multiple choice, of course you have to choose one answer. Okay, so let's required. What is your choice? And then try to do the checkbox. You can actually choose 2 or more answers. Let's say what are the gadgets that you have in your home? You have phone, laptop, PC. So unlike multiple choice, which you can only choose one answer, here in the check boxes you can choose 2 or more. You can choose 1, 2, or all of them. Okay, try natin siyang hindi i-required. And then next, drop down. Let's say, what's your subject? English, science, math. Yan. So sa drop down, ganito lang yung itsura niya. You'll just choose one, then it will show the other options. So wag natin siyang i-require. And then file upload. Ayan, let respondents upload files to Drive. So for example, you're asking them to upload their picture or their answers or their documents. You can allow only specific files or file types. So pag pinlik nyo to, ito lang yung, ayan, for example, document lang yung gusto ko at image. So ito lang yung file type na pwede nilang i-upload. Okay po? Pag hindi natin siya kinlik ng ganyan, kahit ano pwede nilang i-upload dyan. Okay, upload your picture. Upload your pic. Then they can upload any file type. So ang maximum file size is 10. They can actually upload more than one. And then linear scale, multiple choice, grid. Ayan, hindi naman siya masyadong ginagamit. Actually, yung date, eto, this is a good choice for, okay, this is a good choice if you are using Google Form as your time in and time out. Okay, you can also include the time. Anong oras nag-in. Okay, let's try to send. Okay, sa send, you can collect email address or not. Okay, and then pag kinlik nyo ito, this is where the link is located. You can just copy or you can just shorten the URL. It will go like this. You can also embed. This form cannot be embedded because it makes use of file upload. So pag mayroong file upload, okay, you cannot embed the file. The form rather. Okay, so link, copy. Tapos bago tayo mag-send, tingnan muna natin yung settings. Okay, so pag chinek natin tong limit to one response, ibig sabihin isang beses lang pwedeng magsagot or mag-submit yung email na ginamit nung nag-send. Okay, they can also edit after submit, see summary charts and text responses. Okay, so yan yung mga choices. Presentation, show link to submit another response. So ibig sabihin, makikita nyo dyan usually yung submit another response. And then the confirmation message is your response has been recorded. Okay, you can also make your own quiz. Pag chinek natin yan, ayan, immediately after each submission, correct answers. Okay, yan, point values, miss questions. Okay, so ito, since this is only a test, wala tayong babaguhin dyan. Hindi natin siya ililimit ng one response. Okay na? So, na-copy na natin. Send. Okay, click this. Copy. Ito naman, if you want to make a preview of this, ganito ang magiging itsura. Pag sinend natin yung link, nag-copy-paste tayo. Okay, so test, name, feedback, ayan, choice, ayan, let's try to put something. Pag nakita nyo yung asterisk, ibig sabihin, required siyang sagutan. So you cannot skip this part because it is required. I clicked on the required. Pero pag hindi mo naman siya kinlik, you can skip it. Okay? So yan, kagaya nito, walang asterisk, ibig sabihin it's not required. So I will not choose one. Yan. So this one is checkbox. Pwede kang mag-choose ng maraming sagot. Okay, subject. Ito naman po yung I think this is drop down, yes. Okay, subject English, upload your pic. So pag kinlik mo yan, upload, and then date, and then also time, AM or PM. Then click on submit. This one is required. Ganun ang magiging. Okay, your response has been recorded. Okay, so yan po ang magiging itsura. View. Okay, nakalagay doon yung view score kasi kinlik natin yung quiz. Try nating i-untick yung make this as a quiz. Okay, so yan. Let's preview again. Huwag na natin i-choose. Pag hindi mo siya ginawang quiz, ganyan ang magiging itsura. Submit another response. Okay? And then, since you're the one who made this form, you can also see the responses, yan, the infographic. Okay, you can also check on their individual response. Okay, so yan. That's this is the first page. It means the first one who submitted the form, or fill out or answer the form. What's good about this Google form is that it creates spreadsheet. Okay, so yan. Click natin yung create a new spreadsheet. So, and linking to spreadsheet. So once na magkaroon na ng responses, makikita nyo dito sa spreadsheet yung summary. Okay? Summary ng mga responses nila, which is naka-Excel file or spreadsheet file. Ayan. You can also see the timestamp when they filled out the form. Okay? Yan. So sa spreadsheet, you can also do the sorting. Let's say okay. Ayun pala. Okay, so let's say yan, filter. Pwede nating i-filter from A to Z. Okay. We can also do this one. Yan. Okay, that is Google Spreadsheet. But our main concern here is the Google Form, which is very flexible in any type of question, any type of information gathering that you can do to your respondents. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys learned a lot of things in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.